Divorce Solution, where we understand navigating the financial complexities of divorce. Today, we're going to explore the MDS financial portrait and how it differs from the DIY approach or working slowly with an attorney.
So let's start with the DIY approach. While it may seem cost-effective initially, handling divorce finances alone poses significant challenges. One such challenge is a lack of expertise, the emotional toll it takes on you, and it's often very time-consuming.
On the other hand, working solely with an attorney provides legal expertise but comes with limitations. First, a narrow focus, higher cost, communication gaps.
Many couples choose to work with a mediator to hash out their divorce agreement. However, be cautious when it comes to finances with the mediator. They can only facilitate conversation between the two of you. Usually, they do not audit financial information, and there is a risk of premature negotiations.
Now let's talk about the MDS financial portrait and how it bridges the gap between legal expertise and financial strategy. There's expert financial guidance, data-driven analysis, future-focused planning, collaborative approach, and empowering support. Our goal at My Divorce Solution is to demystify the financial complexities of divorce and empower you to make informed decisions for your future.
So before you take the next step, why not explore how the MDS financial portrait can provide you with the financial knowledge you deserve during this pivotal moment in your life?
At My Divorce Solution, we are here to support you every step of the way, wishing you clarity and confidence.